Hello students, welcome to this English class. Today I am here with a very interesting topic called detectives. You all have seen serials like CID, serials like Savdhan India, where the detectives solve cases, they investigated cases. So in this lesson today called the expert detectives, you will find two kids of your age who has decided to be detectives. In fact, they are expert detectives. So let us start the lesson. Here we will meet some characters that develop the story, that will build up the story, and we will come to know who are the investigators, who are the detectives, are they really expert, and on what topic they are going to investigate. So if you see in this story, there are, we find as many as 6 characters. You can see Nishad. Nishad is a small boy of 7 years, and his villagers, all the villagers call him 7 because Nishad is the 7th scale, 7th on the note, the 7th note on the musical scale. Then we meet her, Nishad's sister, Maya. Maya is 10 years old, and these two boys, these two kids are going to be the hero and the heroine of the story. They are going to investigate, expert. They are actually the detectives, and they both of them think that they are expert detectives. Now, what to investigate? Whom to investigate? We meet Mr. Nath. These two characters in the story investigate about the nature of Mr. Nath. Whether Mr. Nath is a good man, whether Mr. Nath is a criminal. Then they describe about Mr. Mehta. Who is Mr. Mehta? A villager, a neighbor of Nishad and Maya. They gives Mr. Mehta gives a lot of details about Mr. Nath. So they happen to gather a lot of information about Mr. Nath from Mr. Mehta. Ramesh, another very important character, he also gives a lot of information to Nishad about Mr. Nath. So the whole story revolves around Mr. Nath. He is the main subject. The main characters, Nishad and Maya, they investigate whether Mr. Nath is a criminal or whether he is not a criminal. And then we meet another Sunday visitor whose name is not given, but he is a very important character because he always comes to Mr. Nath on Sunday. That's why he is called a Sunday visitor. He only comes on Sunday to Mr. Nath's room. Now, the question is on investigation. What to investigate? Why to investigate? What to investigate? Whether Mr. Nath was a criminal or not. Now, in the subject, whether Mr. Nath is a criminal, whether Mr. Nath is not a criminal, between these detectives, between these expert detectives, there is a lot of misconception. There is a lot of different opinions. They exchange different kind of opinions. Both of them are not of the same opinion. Now, what are the opinions? Mr. Nath is a poor man starving for food. This is what Nishad thinks on the subject. The subject is whether Mr. Nath is a criminal or not, and Nishad feels no, he is not a criminal. On the other hand, his sister Maya feels that Mr. Nath is a criminal. So both the characters, both the investigators, both the detectives, they start their detection, they start their investigation on two different notes. One feels he is a good man, he is a poor man, he is starving for food. The other says no, he is not a poor man, he is not an innocent man, he is a criminal. Now, there is some climax in the story. One day what happens? Nishad happens to get into Mr. Nath's room. So it is a very important fact. So once he gets inside Mr. Nath's room, he will get information about Mr. Nath. A lot of information will be collected by him. So but on the contrary, Nisad gives a bar of chocolate. He gives a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath and comes back. And he thinks that Mr. Nath was starving. He has no such intention of getting inside. He has no such intention of checking the trunk. Maya asks Nisad whether he got a chance to peep into Mr. Nath's trunk. Now Maya thinks that he is a criminal. So Maya thinks that he has got a trunk like this. And inside the trunk there are a lot of money. That's why Mr. Nath doesn't work. He doesn't go anywhere. He stays in the room of the hotel. So Mr. Nath perhaps uses this money. So Maya is very crazy about this trunk. So she asks her brother, have you checked the trunk? Was there a treasure? Was there a lot of money inside the trunk? But Nisad says, no, I did not try to get inside the trunk because I don't care about the trunk. Because I know Mr. Nath is not a criminal. He is a poor man. He is starving for food. So, Nisad doesn't feel that he should look into the trunk. Now there is another important fact that is collected by Nisad about Mr. Nath. This is very strange, very particular, that on Sunday a particular visitor comes to meet Mr. Nath. That is a case that happens every Sunday. The visitor talks a lot, but Mr. Nath speaks very less. So the Sunday visitor who comes to meet Mr. Nath, he talks a lot, but Mr. Nath speaks very less. The visitor always takes lunch with Mr. Nath. He comes after breakfast, takes lunch, and before evening he goes back. So these are the facts collected by Nisad about Mr. Nath. So as they were investigating the case, what is the case? Whether Mr. Nath is criminal or not. So they got a very good opportunity. They got an unexpected holiday. Now why they got an unexpected holiday? Because there was continuous rain the previous night and the roads were blocked. The roads were completely flooded with water. So they got some more time to investigate the case, to throw more light, to highlight more things on Mr. Nath's nature. So from Ramesh, when we talked about the character in the story, we met Ramesh. So this Ramesh was met by Nisad, and Nisad is told by Ramesh that there were some particular important things about Mr. Nath. So Mr. Nath takes 2 meals every morning and evening. So he takes his meal twice every day, one in the morning and one in the evening. He drinks twice, 2 cups of tea in the morning and afternoon. He takes 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. He is not very particular about food. He likes to take only 2 chapatis, some dal and 1 vegetable. He is not particular, you give me chicken, you give me fish. He was particular that you give me some dal, give me some vegetable. And very importantly, Ramesh tells Nisad that Mr. Nath pays him in cash. He gives him cash money and also give good tips. So Ramesh gives all this description about Mr. Nath to Nisad. So in this way we have seen that though Maya and Nishat investigates the case about Mr. Nath, they do not come to a common conclusion. They travel to two different directions. Maya feels that Mr. Nath was a criminal. Nishat feels that he was not a criminal, he was a poor man who was starving for food. In this way, they oppose each other about the nature of Mr. Nath. So they could not come to a common conclusion and they could not become good detectives. They could not come to a good conclusion whether they could not give a final statement that yes, these are the cases, these are the reasons, these are the causes, these are the consequences, these are the result of our investigation that we have proved that Mr. Nath is a criminal. But they could not give any conclusion. They could not give a final statement about Mr. Nath because both of them were investigating on two different lines. One felt that he is a good man, one felt that Maya felt that he was a criminal. So Maya still feels that Mr. Nath is a criminal, whereas Nishat feels he is a poor man. So in this way, the expert detectives tried to investigate something, but they could not come to a common conclusion, and the expert detectives could not find out a total conclusion to the story. So, my dear students, I think that you all have understood the lesson that Mr. Nath, about Mr. Nath, and we also come to understand that they have not, the expert detectives Nishat and Maya has not been able to come to a common conclusion about Mr. Nath in this story called Expert Detectives. Okay, thank you.